In this video, I'll be showing you how to manage your CEO account. All you have to do is come to Own a Store and log in into your CEO account. When you are logged in into your CEO account, you can see the total number of stores that you have, today's total sales, today's total profit. Today's total sales means that you are seeing your total amount, the total amount of money made from all the stores that you have. And the same thing applies to today's total profit. You are seeing the profit of what you have made in all the stores that you actually own as the CEO. Now, you can click on your store section on your left hand side on the menu. You can see the total number of stores that you have here, the total number of products that you have in the store, the total number of managers that you've assigned to the store, the total number of POS attendants that you have in the store, the total number of dispatchers that you have in the store. Now, I want to log in into the store. When I click on Open Store, I am presently inside this store context named Samis. Anything I do inside this store, anything I do right now, when I come to products, when I upload a product, I'm uploading it inside this store. When I come to customers and I add the customers, I'm doing it inside the store. When I come to orders, I'm seeing the orders made inside this store. I can come back to my main dashboard and open another store. I'm now in another store. Whatever I do inside this store, when I come to all products, I'm seeing the products that is inside this store. Let me go back to my main dashboard, come back to this product. You can see I am inside another store right now. So having multiple stores, you can manage everything on a single dashboard. The next thing, under the main dashboard, we have orders. You can see all the orders made from all the stores at the same time. All the stores as the CEO. The next thing for you to see is stock alerts. You can manage products running out of stock from all your stores from your single dashboard. Managers. As the CEO, you can see all the managers inside all your stores. POS. You can see all the point of sales attendants inside all your stores at the same time. The same thing applies to my dispatcher, and the same thing applies to my CEO settings. I can upload my profile image, change my password, change my name, change my email, change my phone number, set my country, and then update my profile as the CEO. Now, what happens inside my store dashboard? I'm right inside this store dashboard right now. I can come to pages. Let me show you how my store looks like right now. This is how my store looks like. And now I want to add an About Us page. I can decide to highlight all this and bold it. Now I am done with About Us. I can decide to put the visibility on hidden or visible. But since I want it to be visible, I just put it on visible. Now, when anybody refreshes or view my store, you can see now that I have an About Us on my store. And you can see what I just added. Now, let's go to products. I can view all the products in this store. I am presently inside this store context, and that is why I can see all the products inside this store context. The next thing for me to do is category. I can view all the categories of products that I have inside the store, and at the same time, I can create coupon codes for my customers. To do this, all I have to do is click on create new. The coupon code is automatically generated and you can decide to change it yourself. I want to give, let me just give a cat discount. And let me say a cat discount of 5,000 naira. I can set when it's going to expire and I can set my usage limit. I want it to be used 10 times. But per user, my users can only use it once. One user can use the coupon at a time. Once I do this, when anybody wants to buy from me, and when anybody applies this coupon code, he gets a discount of 5,000 naira. Now, my customers. Here, I can decide to manage all the customers registered in my store. I can decide to delete a customer or edit a customer. When I edit a customer, I can give the customer credit availability. It means my customers can actually take products on credit. I want to give this customer a minimum credit allowed of 10,000 naira and a maximum credit allowed of 200,000. It means that this particular customer can come into my store and buy a product on credit as long as it is not beyond the maximum amount that he has been given to. Orders. I can view all the orders made inside this store context. At the same time, I can see the stock alerts of products running out of stock in this store context, only this store. The next thing for me is the manager. I can decide to edit a manager. I can lock this manager. It means that this manager will not be able to access my store again. Probably the manager has been fired. Probably the manager has actually been found guilty of one or two things. The next thing for me to do is my POS. When the POS attendant is signed in on a device, such POS attendant cannot log in on another device. And in that case, when there is a situation whereby you want the POS user to log in on another device, all you have to do is edit such user and then reset the POS login. You can also enable or disable dynamic pricing for each POS attendant. You can also see the recent activity of that particular user by clicking on this particular activity section. And then you can do the same thing for the dispatcher and you can have your store settings done.